Today we're going to continue learning about two-digit addition. We're going to talk about adding a two-digit number with another two-digit number. When we add a number to a two-digit number, first you want to think of that number in tens and ones. Sometimes it's easy just to draw the number with using base 10 blocks. So in our example here, we have the number 16 plus 12. So if I were going to draw that with base 10 blocks, I would do 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and then I would draw the 12. 10, 11, 12. Then I'm going to take these numbers and I'm going to organize them in a T-chart. Over here at the side, I have a T-chart. And I have my tens and I have my ones. I'm going to put a T for tens and an O for ones. And then I'm going to organize my numbers here that I drew into this chart. So you notice that I have 1 10 and then 6 ones. So I have this finished. And then at the bottom I have 1 10 and 2 ones. It's important to put all of your ones together. It's important to put all of your tens together. So we thought of our number in tens and ones. We drew the number with base 10 blocks. We organized our numbers in a chart. And now we're going to add. Here it shows us that we're going to add these numbers together. So I'm going to put my addition sign and my equal sign. And then I'm going to always add my ones first. So here I had 6 and 7, 8. I'm going to add straight down. Here I had 1 10 plus another 10. So I have 2 10s and 8 ones. That number altogether is 28. So my answer, 16 plus 12, is 28. So the sum of this is 28. Let's do another one. This time they're asking us to add 23 plus 46. So again, I'm going to think of that number with base 10 blocks. Here I have 23. Here I have 46. So we thought of our number in tens and ones. We drew the number with our base 10 blocks. And then we're going to organize our numbers into this T-chart. Here's our T-chart. The T means tens. The O means ones. And this time, instead of drawing my numbers in the T-chart, I'm just going to write the numbers. So here I had 2 10s, and here I have 3 ones. In the bottom, I had 4 10s and 6 ones. They're asking me to add these numbers together, so I'm going to put my addition sign, put my equal sign, and then I'm going to add straight down. Remember, the first thing I want to do is add the ones. So 3 plus 6. Remember, my strategy for adding numbers together is start it with the big number and then add on. So 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to add my tens next. 4, 5, 6. My total is 69. So 23 plus 46 is 69. Let's practice one last problem. It's asking us to add 52 plus 37. So I'm going to think of that in tens and ones. And this time, instead of drawing the base 10 blocks, if I'm really good at just knowing what number's in the 10 spot and what number's in the 1 spot, I can just move directly into that. I don't have to draw it every single time. When we're first starting out, when we're first learning, drawing it helps us. But as you get better, then you can just put the numbers right in. So if I have 52, I know that the 5 is in my 10 spot and the 2 is in my 1 spot. And then I'll take this number 37. I know that 3 is in the 10 spot and that 7 is in the 1 spot. It's asking us to add, so we're going to add these numbers together, put our equal sign. We're going to add the ones first. 2 plus 7 Remember, start with the big number and count on 7, 8, 9. 5 plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my number for this problem is 89. I'd like you to practice this today in Seesaw.